立陶宛甲台湾即摆是愈来愈热，受到中国政府的施压。立陶宛外交部长表示讲啦，立陶宛正向世界展现要安怎对抗中国的施压。
China holds so much power, so much economic power, that whenever it has political needs, it can just, pull a string and basically, everybody just aligns. And it's definitely not the situation, not the world we were thinking that we're living in. So I think that we are waking up to this understanding and starting to build a policy. How do you face the situation?
立陶宛稳准台湾设立代表处，引起北京的不满。进一步将这个中国对立陶宛的外交关系降级为代办的残疾。立陶宛外交部长24接受访问时表示讲，立陶宛在经济上确实会遭遇到短暂的阵痛，不过相信市场、企业、供应链拢会适应。这讲到这个经济威胁。立陶宛外交部长强调讲，这无应该影响到独立的外交政策。就算和中国媒体用头条的方式伫恐吓，立陶宛同款会坚持落去。